You will see a CV boot cracked like this, you think it's the end of the life? No, this is like 3 years old CV boot. And I changed it completely, and I'll show you how to fix this. It doesn't matter if this is Mercedes or other not too expensive car. First of all, what you do, you buy grease like this or something else just to squeeze inside if it's dry. Then second of all, you buy this from any auto store. It's only like $6. It's a 2-patch kit. If it dries inside, make sure to squeeze as much as you can. Wipe everything with alcohol. So it looks nice and dry like this. And that's basically it. $5 repair. Very well fit. I slapped extra few pieces on it, so no more expensive repairs. I got a fresh grease inside and the seal. Thanks for watching.